yako.
Look here, there's a
you know, they just think that, yeah.
The reason was they end up doing that.
Yeah, and that yes. They knew I was at the back there. Yeah. You can see the damage there. Yeah. The damage there. And then you can see on the other side. I think the police at this juncture, they will not go through.
Na ikakwama hapa ndani.
Yeah, you can see they aimed at my car, and that time there was no demonstration at all. We were going to Mheshimiwa's house for something, and then we were to appear in town later. Then they just started chasing us, and they shot at the car, and they have caused a lot of damage. They threw tear gas at my car. And we were not demonstrating at all. This is home, so if I'm at home and I'm being chased like a rabbit, this is quite unfair. And quite a number of people who are just walking in town were being beaten by police. This is very unfair to the public. The public who are just doing their own things are beaten by police and told to go home. Is this a state, a police